In this video, we'll learn about a very advanced search tactic in Loocey that allows for searching open RFQs based on a large list of parts, which could be a custom list containing 5,000 or more parts, or maybe you have a curated list of 1,000 or more NSNs that you want to track. In this tutorial, we'll show two examples. First, we'll search by part numbers. To start, we've already created a new list on our workspace called My Parts with 6,000 items. List contains part numbers as well as NSNs. Let's see how we can use this list to search against open RFQs. Simply go to DLA RFQs. Open Filters, go to the Related Data Filters tab. This is where we have more advanced searching options. Add a new filter and select DLA Approved Parts from the drop-down. Then select part number column and instead of equal, select in. You should now see the context menu, 3 dots next to the value input. Click on context menu and switch to dynamic values. And now you are able to select My Parts from the list and select part number as the column. And hit apply. The system will now do a cross join, joining open RFQs with the custom list of part numbers we gave and find the matches. And we can do a save as and name the view My Custom Parts and save. Dynamic filter values is very advanced searching in Loocey. We have another tutorial that goes over more in depth. Check the description for the link. But we'll do another example, and in this case we'll search with NSN. Let's create a new list and call it My NSNs in the CRM section. Once we create the list, let's change the name column name to NSN and add our 20 examples. Of course, this could be 1,000 NSNs. The idea is that we'll use this list as a dynamic filter value, so it'll work well even if we have thousands of NSNs to track. Now let's go back to DLA RFQs, and since we already have NSN in our main table, we don't need to do a related data filter, so while we open the filter, we can simply use a regular filter. Click on Add Filter and select NSN column, select in as the condition. And again, let's change to dynamic values from the context menu. Select My NSNs list that we just created and NSN column. Hit apply. System will filter and show any open RFQs matching with our NSN list. Let's save the view as My NSNs RFQ. And what's nice is that we can go back to our My NSNs list and add a few more NSNs. And when we come back to My NSNs RFQs, it will automatically know that we've updated the list of NSNs and include the new ones in the search result as well. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.